Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about some amazing resources that can help you if you need hearing aids. Now, I know these can be extremely expensive, but there are all sorts of organizations out there that are designed to assist you. So, first off, if you have Medicare, I strongly recommend that you reach out to Chapter. They can help you make sure that you're getting the best coverage for your unique needs. If there is a plan out there that can help you with hearing aids, they're the ones that can help you find it and make sure that you're getting the care that you need. Now, let's talk about some other nonprofits and resources that may be able to assist you as well. So, the Hearing Aid Foundation is a national nonprofit that helps anyone in financial hardship access quality hearing aids. Decisions are made case by case based on need, income, and medical documentation. Their website says we evaluate each applicant with the understanding that everyone has a unique financial situation and varying levels of need. They accept applications from all states, there's no strict income cutoff, and you can apply at hearingaidfoundation.org. Now, the Hearing Aid Project by Sertoma International distributes refurbished hearing aids nationwide through local audiology partners. This is open to anyone who can't afford a new device, and the availability depends on the partner clinics in your area. You can go to the link that you see over there in the red to get started with their application. The Hike Fund helps children under the age of 20 who need assistive listening devices. Families may qualify for this if they have a gross earned income that does not exceed $125,000 a year, and you do have to be a U.S. citizen to qualify. Funds can also be used to cover devices like FM systems or caption converters as well, and you can get started at thehikefund.org. Now, the ear community helps children and adults with one of two conditions, and I may not say this correctly, but it's microtia and aural atresia who have been denied insurance coverage. So they may be able to help you get a brand new bone-anchored hearing system, and they do serve a nationwide audience. You will need to provide proof of your income and a denial letter from your insurance company to make sure that you have at least tried to get it through your insurance first. You can visit their website at earcommunity.org. Then you need to hover over where it says contact, and a little menu will appear. And then you can click where it says application for a bone conduction hearing device, and that will get you to the application. Help America Hear is a great organization that provides hearing aids to qualifying men, women, and children. You need to have a gross household income of at or below $36,000 per year. You also need to have moderate to profound hearing loss that hearing aids could improve, and no other way to afford those hearing aids. They can provide either behind the ear or receiver and canal options. They also offer a full hearing test, fitting, and aftercare support as well. You can learn more or apply at helpamericahear.org. Now, the Miracle Ear Foundation is not free, unfortunately. They do have a fee attached, but they help U.S. residents and Puerto Rico citizens with income that is at or below 200% of the federal poverty level. They cover adults and children who have no other funding options. So if you have Medicaid or VA benefits, you're not going to be eligible for this. If you are eligible, however, they can provide brand new hearing aids and follow-up care. If you are an adult, you will need to pay a non-refundable $200 application fee in order to apply. Children can apply without paying that fee. You can apply online. The link was kind of hard to find on their website, so I would recommend that you go to this direct link that we have over there in the red. I know it's a little bit long, but it'll make sure that you get to the right page. Now, the Starkey Hear Now program is a little bit complicated. A lot of places said that it's offered by Starkey Hearing Foundation, but it's not anymore. It's offered by a different group called Starkey Cares. This program still offers their most advanced hearing technology at a significantly reduced cost to those who qualify, but you will need to submit 3 months of bank statements for every adult in your household or your tax forms. You also need a brochure with clinic information in order to complete that application. If you're interested, you can apply at app.starkeycares.org. Now, Easter Seals is a pretty well-known organization. They have community clinics all over the place, and those clinics can offer low-cost or sliding scale help to people who need hearing aids or therapy in their community clinics. They can offer hearing exams, medical devices, adaptive technology, and more depending on the policies and funding of your local chapter. You can find your local office at easterseals.com. Now, there are other benevolent and service club programs in your area that may be able to assist you as well, such as the Elks Lodges, the Kiwanis Clubs, Lions Clubs. These are all great opportunities. These organizations do a lot to help people get their needs met, so I would reach out to them if you need help. Now, there are other resources that may be able to help you by state. Our amazing new research team actually put together a huge list of different organizations that offer this support, and you can see the link over there in red to our website, lowincomerelief.com, where we have put that list for you. We're going to start off with a list of nationwide organizations, and then we'll have a list of state-by-state organizations. Definitely go check those out. There's a lot of good providers there that offer help in a local way. We just didn't want to go over all of that here in the video. Now, if you've made it this far and none of the resources that we have mentioned have helped you, make sure that you call Care Connect USA. This is one of our sponsors. They have an amazing hearing aid helpline that can help you get connected with affordable hearing aids. To my understanding, these are not going to be completely free, but they have payment plans and other things available that can help you get the things that you need at an affordable rate. So again, this is our sponsor, Care Connect USA. This is their hotline number. I would really encourage you to reach out and give them a call so that they can help you out. And of course, our sponsor chapter as well. If you're Medicare eligible, call these guys. If you're not Medicare eligible, call these guys. Now, the Audient program, I'm kind of iffy on this one. It claims to offer discounted brand name hearing aids. It says it's open to individuals and families who qualify based on income. They say that they work through a national provider network. But when we tried to go to their official URL, it looked like it had been hacked. Now, I know that's happening to a lot of nonprofits right now. We do this research all day, every day, and it has been astonishing to me how many trustworthy organizations, especially like St. Vincent de Paul chapters, have had their websites hacked and redirected. So that's not necessarily an indication that this organization doesn't exist anymore, but it is a concerning factor. So that being said, we were able to find a live version of the real website, but you'll see the web address over there in red, and I'm a little uncomfortable with it because it says copyright 2011. I'm not sure they're still active. I wasn't able to confirm or deny that, but I wanted to bring you every possible resource for relief. So if you do contact these guys, please be exceedingly careful when you do so. You can find the URL and the phone number over there. I would only do this if absolutely none of the other options worked for you, though. And I would make sure that you have someone on hand who can help you if it turns out to not be a legitimate opportunity. I hope this information has been helpful to you, and I hope that you're able to get the devices that you need. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be back tomorrow with more ways that you can save money and get free stuff. I'll see you there.